up, Kevin. I thought I heard something just up ahead.
Are you sure? Because we're not supposed to be here. It's very dangerous. Plus, we could get in a lot of trouble.
I know, but Robin might be hurt. Just stay close to me. It'll be all right.
Ugh! What was Robin thinking? I told her not to fly over the Forbidden Forest, but did she listen to me? No! And now she's lost, all over a stupid dare. Why did she have to fly so low?
I think she was trying to pluck the top off of one of the trees. You know, like catching a snitch. Fisher did say she'd never make it as a seeker.
Why can't she be happy being a beater? She's quite good at hitting things with that bat of hers.
Come on, I think she was headed this way when she dove into the forest.
Oh my, it's a centaur!
Greetings, sir.
You should not be here. It is dangerous for children to be in the forest alone.
Yes, sir, but our friend is lost.
Many things in the forest are lost. Few are ever found.
Then perhaps you could help us. Have you seen a girl with short brown hair and a broomstick? She might have been flying very fast.
I have not. But the stars are falling tonight. The beasts of the forest do not abide, especially those that don't belong. Look to the southwest. But a warning. The stars are falling tonight.
Right, thank you for your help, sir. Come on, Kevin, let's go.
Look! It's Robin's bat!
She's probably close by. We're almost there.
Careful, you two. There's some crazy boar creatures nearby. They're mean, and they attack faster than a wildfire whiz-bang.
Huh? Do you mean they explode?
No, I mean they're fast. Very fast. Wait, do you hear that whooshing sound? Look out! Hear the... Thanks.
You're welcome. What was that thing? I've never seen anything like it before.
I think it was a T-bow, but they're native to Africa, so I don't know what it was doing here.
It must have escaped from those exotic beast smugglers Hagrid was talking about. As if the Forbidden Forest wasn't already dangerous enough.
I'm just glad you found me when you did. Those T-bow are an angry bunch. One of them almost trampled my broom.
Your broom? What about you, Robin? Are you hurt?
Me? Oh, I bruised my ankle, but it's not a big deal. See, Kev? My foot's still attached.
You're unbelievable, Robin. Can we go now before something else attacks us?
That's probably a good idea. Robin, are you able to walk?
Walk? Why would I do that when I have my broom? Come on, let's fly!